Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Skey Network, the future of IoT technology. Well, what's cool about this and what is the Skey Network? Well, the Skey Network combines Oracle, BOT, and DeFi technologies to create a unique access key called Smart NFT. These provide blockchain managed access to physical assets such as cars, apartment buildings, or sharing economy assets such as smart bikes. Competitors are invited to look at any aspect of the future smart cities and design a product to enable this. Well, there's a lot of cool, important parts that I want to mention about Skey Network that makes it so special. But before we jump into them, I want to take a look at this challenge. So you can see here the Skey Network challenge from December 1st, 2021 to May 2022. It's a big, big deal. Take part in the greatest blockchain contest for best projects. Well, it's a prize pool of $1 million. The grand opening starting, like I said, December 1st, 10 days ago, and they will be awarding or rewarding 10 of the best projects out there. You can take a look at some of the different roadmaps with the Skey Network Challenge as well. The roadmaps being, first off, recruitment. So projects will be checked for application and compliance with the organizer's terms and conditions. Next, we have content related evaluation, call for mockups, the grand finale. So obviously, May 2022 is going to be that final stage where they actually give that grand finale understanding of who actually won out of all the projects and just an understanding of the prize pool and who gets the money as well. They have different categories. So smart city, the sharing economy, security, DeFi, Oracle, and NFTs. And they have more on the terms and conditions here as well. If you guys are interested in actually signing up, taking advantage of this challenge, definitely do so. I'll have links down in the description below. But I want to learn a little bit or give you guys kind of a more understanding of the Skey Network altogether. So the first thing we take a look at here is the Skey Network is the only connector that combines the Internet of Things devices with blockchain technology, creating the blockchain of things. Our goal is to become the communication standard for IoT devices, just as Bluetooth technology is the standard for wireless connectivity. So access key is going to be called the Smart NFT. So you can actually learn a little bit more about that and how the Skey Network combines Oracle, BOT, DeFi technologies to create that unique access key called Smart NFT. So let's jump though into how it all works. So if we actually go over here to how it works, it talks about what is an NFT access token, which we talked a little bit about. But before we jump into this, I want to point out just a few things. So the Skey Network will actually be offering, like we said, a total prize fund of 1 million USD in Skey tokens to be split between 10 winners. The prize fund is divided into a series of grants awarded at different stages of the competition, with 10 top prize winners and special prize awarded by the CEO for the best overall projects. Winners will also retain all rights of ownership to products manufactured as part of the competition. And this kind of is all talking about more of this challenge. And I think this challenge is something a lot of you guys need to learn a little bit more about. It's going to be a very, very big deal and a lot of reasons as to why Skey Network is going to be such a talked about, really, project in 2022, at least early 2022, that is. The jury is also composed of leading names in the global IoT, smart city, and blockchain worlds. The competition will be a catalyst for innovative ideas, concepts, and prototypes built on the Skey blockchain, which will underpin the smart cities of the future. You can actually join the Skey Challenge and compete for a part of that total $1 million worth of investments. Skey Network is very excited about supporting your own independent projects and also use blockchain technology to develop your products, services, and apps. We will support and promote your project as an opportunity. So 6, like we said, categories, and they were all kind of mentioned down here below. So smart city, the sharing economy, security, DeFi, Oracle, and NFT. Just want to kind of re-mention that challenge, as that's a huge deal in what the Skey Network is planning to do. So what is an NFT access token? Well, let's jump into it. So this is kind of a nice little graph here that kind of explains it. So NFT smart key unique token with the BOT, Oracle, and smart contract kind of connecting there. We can see that it's bringing real value and utility to NFT tokens. And they have a nice little video kind of explaining it as well. I'm not going to jump too much into this video, but if you guys want to take a look, like I said, I will have all links down in the description below, so you guys should be able to find all this information very, very easily and simply. But it is a great understanding. It kind of goes into detail here, gives you some great graphs, and kind of shows you what you could be looking at here and kind of understanding. But I want to go back and take a look at how does the missing puzzle work. So the Skey Network is a bridge, the missing piece of the puzzle that connects the world of DeFi and blockchain with the world of physical values. Currently, decentralized finances need to use fiat gates, such as exchange offices or centralized exchanges. These act as an intermediary in the process of exchanging services and assets and limit the world of DeFi. So we don't want to be limited, obviously, when it comes to DeFi. We want to be as much really supportive of that DeFi really plan as we possibly can. So you can see here physical world moving into the fiat gate to the DEX, and then also to coin market cap. You can see the stats there as well. But 99.9% of current DeFi processes are implemented on the blockchain in a closed ecosystem. So DeFi projects can be compared to puzzles using decentralized finance in the form of advanced smart contracts. The potential of DeFi projects is limited due to the lack of an automated connector for digital services in the physical world. So there's a lot of potential behind what Skay Network is all about here. And I want to jump a little bit farther into not just the media, because I just want to kind of point out the main partners real quick, but then I want to jump over to their team itself, because the team is such a big part as to why a project either does really, really well or does really, really poorly. So the first thing we'll see here is the main partners being some like Chainlink, Waves, Orange. So some really, really solid names there. You can see the other ones as well. And then they have some different kind of blockchain startup competitions and concept to reality. A lot of different videos here kind of talking about the Skay network itself. But the one thing I want to talk about, like I said, is that team. So here we can meet the team, and they can talk a little bit more about each individual team member, but you can see that they've been posting, different team kind of HQ updates and different things and different articles since 2019. So they're continuing to keep us up to date with the team and the progress and the success that they've had, as well as if we take a look at the Skay network team. So here we see the CEO, the COO, CTO, as well as all of the, the team itself. You can see which guys are doing what and what they have specialized in the past. Why are they something or people that we should really believe in? And that's exactly what you're going to get out of learning about their past experiences and what they have to accomplish here in the near future. So they also have products and SIM card here for us to take a look at, but I want to mostly take a look at products because the Skay network BOT technology is focused on a couple different things. The Skay's network vision is to lay the foundations for the smart cities of the future. In order to do that, we have developed a range of products, partnerships, and technical solutions. These products use the universal BOT Oracle standard system to connect devices, technologies, systems, and clouds to blockchain platforms. So you can see actually down here, generation Oracle second, by blockchain actually secured, blockchain Internet of Things, or BOT, or BIOT, I should say. But we also have the easy implementation, and then the unique token NFT. So access keys that we've talked about earlier in a form of unique NFT token that can be sold, traded, or exchanged. So a lot of cool concepts. And then you can actually see more on the Skay network products down here as well, whether it's the cloud connection, the key manager, the wallet, the business rental, access to service, and rescue. So a lot of cool different kind of details here. If you guys are looking at all to get into the Skay network or learn a little bit more about it, make sure to jump down into the description below. I will have all links down below provided so you guys can do a little bit more of your own research, as I am not a financial advisor. I do want to say, guys, for the most part, this is some kind of platform or some kind of network that I will continue to look into, because I want to continue to keep you guys up to date with the success and obviously the challenge that we've been talking about earlier today. So make sure to take a look a little bit deeper yourself, but I do think there is a lot of potential here. And if you guys haven't actually already, make sure to jump over to their YouTube as well. They have a lot of great videos here that kind of go into detail on what they're trying to accomplish and what is coming in the near future with DeFi, Oracle, NFTs, etc., etc. So thank you guys again for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.